normalized impedance z is equal to 1, that is a point at the center of the Smith chart, is a very important point while designing a impedance matching network using a Smith chart. So z is equal normalized impedance z is equal to 1. If you plot it on the Smith chart, it appears at the center of the Smith chart as shown in this figure. That means z is equal normalized impedance is equal to 1 means actual normalized impedance is equal to actual impedance divided by the characteristic impedance. So if it is equal to 1, actual impedance is equal to characteristic impedance. So that is a matched condition. So if any impedance, if it is normalized, if it is marked on the Smith chart, if it coincides at the center of the Smith chart, that means the actual impedance is equal to the characteristic impedance. That means a matched condition, no reflection will be takes place. So if you take any impedance, for example in this network, Zin is the impedance between the terminal looking into the terminal 2 2. If you mark this Zin on the Smith chart, take a normalized value of this and mark it on the Smith chart. If it coincides at the point B, that is here, then there is no reflection from the point 2 2, because then if it is Zin normalized equal to 1 means it is looking into this terminal, the impedance is equal to Z0. That is a matched condition. No reflection will be takes place from this point. So Zin, if you mark like Zin, any impedance looking into the terminal or any impedance, if that impedance matches here, then that is a matched condition. So it is very important while designing the matching networks. For example, if we consider this network, in this network that Zin, it is equal to Zc, that is 0.5 plus j 0.5. Assuming this is itself is a normalized one, then Zin is equal to 0.5 plus j 0.5. If you mark this Zin for this figure looking into the terminal 2 2, that marking is here at point C. That means this Zin, that is equal to 0.5 plus j 0.5. It is the intersection of 0.5 circle. R is equal to 0.5 circle and X is equal to 0.5 circle. That is this point. So Zin is this point. It is not coinciding with the center of the Smith chart. So this is not a Zin is not a matched condition for this circuit, because it is if you mark this Zin, it is here, so it is not the center of the Smith chart. So this Zin is not matched with the characteristic impedance Z0. So reflection will be takes place from here. So like that, by plotting we can come to know whether the reflection takes place from this particular position or not on the circuit. So this the center of the Smith chart, or Z is equal to 1 point on the center of the circle, plays very important role while designing impedance matching network. As we can observe from this figure, that R is equal to 1 circle. So this is R is equal to 1 circle. R is equal to 1 circle, and G is equal to 1 circle. That is conductance circle. G is equal to 1 conductance circle and R is equal to 1 resistance circle. G is equal to 1 circle and R is equal to 1 circle passes through the point center of the Smith chart like this. They are passing here. They are moving through the 1. See like this. And also this very important play very important role while designing the R is equal to 1 circle and conductance circle G is equal to 1 circle, play very important role while designing the matching network. Actually on the Smith chart they are looking like this, that R is equal to 1 circle and G is equal to 1 circle. So this is the actual Smith chart. So this is actual Smith chart here. In the actual Smith chart, this is R is equal to 1 circle. R is equal to 1 circle, dotted, shown in dotted black line here. And these are all resistance circles. This is the resistance circle, R is equal to 1. It is passing at the center of the Smith chart. These are some other values of resistance values. Similarly, this is G is equal to 1 circle. G is equal to one circle that is also passing through the center of the Smith chart. And these are for other values of G. These are conductance circles. These are also conductance circles, and for other values of conductance like this. Only G is equal to one circle and R is equal to one resistance circle passes through the center of the Smith chart as shown here.